In our 4,200 religions, did you truly choose your faith, or was it simply inherited from family, culture, or tradition? If your belief is based on the family you were born into, that's not a personal choice. It's cultural inheritance. If you follow religion because your parents said so, that's not independent thinking. It's appeal to authority. If you practice faith just because everyone around you does without understanding it yourself or without the ability to convince someone, that's social conformity. So ask yourself, have you really chosen your religion, or are you just going with the flow? Truly choosing a religion or a faith means having clear rational reasons, not just emotions or habit. These include existential argument, logical argument, ontological argument, cosmological argument, moral and pragmatic arguments. If you don't have these reasons, you haven't chosen Islam, you have inherited. Take a moment and reflect. Why should anyone truly choose Islam or any religion? Muslim or not? In this new 1 minute series, we will share clear and compelling reason why you should consider choosing Islam. Join us in this journey of your spiritual rebirth. Thank you.